people. So it's a bright new day, and this particular video I want to speak of the fact that sometimes now, things that are playing on my mind, I like to literally discuss it with my friends. Yeah, people on YouTube, those on my subscribers list are my friends. So I've always wanted to join these angel healing classes, and all these certain these this comes under metaphysics. Meta being the Greek word for beyond the laws of physics. Like for instance, there's something known as quantum healing, and access bars. You all can Google it and find out what this is. Actually, even I just have a rough idea, but that's what I want to conduct angel healing classes, because I truly believe that there are angels. Yeah, and I feel like I've been sent on this earth to do something on those lines. Like, I mean, being a content writer is good, but it's like, I might as well, uh, this the teaching talent that I have, I might as well channel it in this direction. So I wonder if it's a good idea. What do you all say? Angel healing classes, and then go about it, because it'll be so soothing, to dedicate your life to something so lofty. So really, people, so this is, of all the 1,000 videos I've ever made, more than 1,000 videos, this is a video I'm really opening my heart and speaking, where like, in terms of they say, right, before you're about to do something, don't discuss it with the world. And I truly believe in this. Like, I think you should not do it, but right now I feel like I need the universe to kind of give me that slight nudge, and of course angel healing is what I want to do. So thanks so much for being so patient, people. And this is that's not a crazy little video, but thank you, people. This feels so good. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.